I have a list of NuGet packages that I need to add to this project. Normally, we right-click on the project, select Manage NuGet Packages, search for a package, and add them one at a time. But did you know there is a way to add multiple packages at once? Here is how you can do it. Open Notepad and list all the NuGet packages, including their version numbers, if needed, with each on a new line. At the end of the list, add an empty line. Now, in Visual Studio, open the Package Manager console, set the target project, and copy-paste the list from Notepad into the console. That's it. You can add multiple NuGet packages to your project all at once using this method. Let me know what you think about this approach in the comments.